Imagine waking up tomorrow. No phone, no job, no school, no alarm clock, no bills to pay. What would you do all day? Well, ancient Americans lived exactly like this for thousands of years. And what they did every single day will absolutely shock you. Before McDonald's, before Netflix, before your 9-to-5 job existed, humans lived in ancient America for over 15,000 years. No bosses, no deadlines, no stress. But here's the thing, nobody tells you. Their life was nothing like you imagine. Ancient Americans woke up with the sun. No snooze button, no coffee, no scrolling Instagram. The first thing they did, survival. Every single morning, they had one question. Are we safe? Saber-toothed cats, giant bears, and massive wolves were everywhere. So the men checked the camp perimeter, while women started the morning fire. Fire was their alarm clock, their heater, their stove, all in one. Without fire in ancient American winters, you were dead. Simple as that. After securing camp, the men had one job: find food. Now you might think hunting sounds fun and easy, right? Wrong. Ancient American hunters walked 15 to 20 kilometers every single day. No shoes, heavy weapons, avoiding predators the whole way. And after all that walking, most days they came back with nothing. Studies show ancient hunters failed 7 out of 10 hunts. So, what did they eat on failed hunt days? This is where it gets interesting. While men hunted, women were doing something equally important: gathering. Ancient American women needed to memorize over 300 different plants. Which ones were food? Which ones were medicine? Which ones were poison? One mistake could kill the entire tribe. They were basically walking encyclopedias of nature. No Google, no books, just pure memory. As the sun went down, the whole tribe came together. And this is the part that will make you jealous. Ancient Americans spent their evenings doing something we've almost completely lost today: real human connection. No phones at the dinner table, no earphones blocking everyone out. They sat together, shared food, told stories, and actually talked to each other. The tribal storyteller would explain the day's events, teach the children survival skills, and pass down ancient wisdom. This is how their entire history was preserved for thousands of years. No paper, no internet, just human voices. And you know what's crazy? Studies show ancient humans were actually happier than modern Americans. Less anxiety, less depression, less loneliness, because they had something we've lost: real community. So here's the wild part. Ancient Americans worked less than you do. Studies show they only needed 4 to 5 hours of actual work per day to survive. The rest of the time, playing with children, swimming in rivers, creating art in caves, sleeping under stars, while you work 8 to 10 hours a day, pay taxes, sit in traffic, and still feel like you have no time. So the real question is, who was actually more free, them or us? If this made you think differently about ancient life, you're going to love what's coming next week. We're diving into something even crazier. What did ancient humans do when someone died? Trust me, it's nothing like what you expect. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and comment below. Would you survive ancient American life? I'll see you next week.